Hi everyone, my name is Alex Ryan. Welcome back to another video. Thanks for joining me here in the studio. Today's topic is basically negotiation, how to get more people to work with you. All right, so let's get started. Welcome back everyone. So today's topic, as I said, is negotiation. And this is something that I think a lot of people overlook, whether you're doing a deal or dealing with somebody or dealing with an agent or dealing with a supplier. Whatever the reason is, you know, negotiation happens every single day. When you go to buy a coffee, negotiation happens. When you're calling up your phone company, you know, and because something's wrong, a negotiation is in play, right? So always be willing to negotiate. And I think a lot of business owners, or maybe you're in real estate or whatever you're in, right? People are like, I want this. They're very black and white. I want this price. I want these terms. This is how it's got to be done, all right? And there's no other way. Well, if you want to be successful, you've got to be willing to negotiate. There's got to be gray areas, and you know, there's got to be gray areas where you can give a better price, where you can give a better deal, give better terms, do something different, because that will enable you to get more clients, get more customers, get more business, make more money, and more people are willing to refer you because we're like, hey, you know, this is what happened. It's a good deal. He did this for me, and you know, that's much better than paying retail. But you know, there's always room to budge. There's always room for a deal. You can always work out, if you're trying to get a good price on a particular product or a property, then there's always wiggle room. There's always wiggle room, right? In my negotiations, there's always been a point where I can say, well, I don't want that in the deal I'm buying, so take out this amount, right? You can do that kind of stuff. Or for example, my business partner, he wanted to buy a property and he wanted to buy it massively undervalued. And guess what he did? He made an offer on 2 of the properties that same guy was selling, and he says, okay, you can sell, I'll buy that one, and I'll tell you what, I'll give you this price of both of them, right? So he didn't want to pay retail for that and retail for that. He was like, I'll give you both, which is a great deal for the other guy, because he wanted to get rid of these properties fast, and he got at a massive, you know, he wanted to bid at a massive lowball figure, right? So there's always wiggle room. Think about how can you be a little bit more flexible with your negotiation. Every day negotiation happens. Every customer you speak to, every client you speak to, every particular agent you're speaking to, there's always room and wiggle room for negotiation and to get a better deal, all right? Give us a call if you have questions, guys. 02-8003-7534. The number's on the screen right there. And yeah, if you ever want to work with me, give me a call as well and visit my website. My name is Alex Ryan, guys. Have an awesome day, and I'll talk to you real soon. See you later.